So now that that's cut, we'll remove the template, which is secured with 2 screws. You can see the template has two thicknesses. And the inside smaller thickness, which is approximately a 1/4 inch shorter than the final profile exhibits, that is so the top knife on the 14 knife tooling will not eat into the will do a smooth job of cutting. There's a space between the bottom of the bearing and the final cut height of the tooling. So there you have it. Rather smooth. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.